In this class, there is a midterm and a final exam. Your midterm and final exam will be in my math lab, but these are the two exams that must be proctored in person. Your midterm and final exam will be taken in person at the GCC main campus testing center. So it's your responsibility to make sure that you make an appointment and arrangements to come into the testing center to take those two exams. If you cannot meet these requirements, you will receive a 0 on your exam. So it's important that you plan ahead and you make arrangements to come in to take your midterm and final. Please make sure that you check Canvas for updated information regarding testing procedures, the testing window, and all the different requirements for your midterm and final exam. Your midterm and final must be completed by the due date or before. There is a testing window that I've provided that you must take your exam in that time period, so please make sure that you make arrangements. There are no late exams or extensions allowed for any reason, so please don't wait till the last minute to take your exam in case any issues arise. Plan early, come early. In case there are any issues, we have a little bit of time to work them out, okay? Print off the calendar so you see that exam window and the due date for both exams. Now on your midterm and final exam, you can use a calculator. You'll be allowed to use either a scientific or a graphing calculator on both exams, but you will not be allowed to use any sort of notes, book, formula sheet, note card, any other resources besides a calculator. So make sure that you're prepared for all the information that may be on the exam. You'll be given 2.5 hours to complete each exam, and I have posted a practice exam in my math lab that looks very similar to the actual test. You can do this practice exam as many times as you want to make sure that you're prepared. I highly suggest you do that so you can see what types of questions are going to be on the exam. Now, it's important that you do well on your midterm and final exam because you must earn a combined average of at least a 70% on the midterm and final exam in order to pass the class. Also, your midterm and final exam make up 70% of your course grade. Your midterm is 35% of your grade, and your final exam is 35% of your course grade. So you can see it's really important that you do well so that you can pass the course. So make sure that you practice.